in the Not Just Sawdust workshop. I'm building a little kitchen cabinet, very simple, rustic, using pocket hole jigs for the first time. Actually works. Whether it's faster than just using dowels and such, I don't know, but for this project it's okay. This is going to be in a barn, and it doesn't have to be fancy or really precise, and it's made for this old sink, second hand, so nothing fancy, but nevertheless it takes a lot of wood and a lot of work, so let's get on with it. friend is going to put some coats of, I think it's Osmo oil or something on it. I made the top out of oak, so it's a bit stronger than the pine. It can be screwed in the corners and in the middle with a few brackets that are already welded onto this sink, so that's easy. The doors fit. The magnets in there are not really strong, but nevertheless it works. And he's going to put some handles on it whenever we find some, so that's not important. So what I can do now is again put it in my studio and wait until this lockdown is over and wait until my van is back, and then bring it over to him, and then it's out of the way and we can start on another project. So this was a very simple little, it's not even a kitchen cabinet, a sink cabinet. It's completely empty inside because there's going to be some technical stuff in there, so it's for in a basement, so there's going to be a boiler in or whatever. I don't know exactly, but you know, he asked me to just make it completely empty on the inside, just 2 doors in front of it, and have a little overlap on the back because there's some plumbing there, so he needs to drill holes in here. So yeah, ready. So I would say, as I always say, do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. As you can see, old stuff really works well. And see you all in the next video. At the logo.